Today I'll be showing how I transfer onto the bed and how I get back in my chair as a paraplegic. Welcome back guys, but if this is your first time here, then consider subscribing because once a week I give a shout out to a new subscriber. If you're struggling on how to get onto your bed unassisted and then get back in your wheelchair, well in this video I'll be showing you how I do that. But before it starts, time to get a shout out to a new subscriber. So today's shout out goes out to Wireless France. Alright guys, without more time wasted, let's begin. So what I do first is I lock my brakes, but there's days I don't even need to lock my brakes because I'm pretty good at my transferings. And then next thing you gotta do is angle your wheelchair at 90-degree angle, and then make sure you scoot forward. And if you do not scoot forward, then you won't be able to transfer, and this is what it's gonna look like. And the reason why is because the side rail or the wheels is pretty much blocking you from being able to transfer. So I scoot forward, throw down my legs. And then for the wheelchair cushion, it's better if you had like foam in the front, but this one's all air because my hand will sink in, and just like with this, it makes it harder to transfer because it's much softer. So what I do is put my hand on the bar of my wheelchair because it gives me like a stiffer surface to transfer on. And so what I do is I put my hand on my bed, and then if you're just new, just practice like lifting your butt up like this, almost like dipping. And then when you get a hang of that, just pivot. And then what I do next is I scoot over a bit, and then I throw over my legs. And some of you guys might be asking, why don't you just like grab your legs and roll back? It's because that's only good if you want to like lay down like right in the moment, but I like to rearrange things, and if I had to lay down, it's extra work and extra step just to get back up. And then for those that don't know, being paralyzed, it's like a fat person trying to get up. And this is what I mean. As you see, I cannot just sit up on my own. And then what I do next is I just put down my legs. And the reason why it's also good to put down your legs individually is so you don't bang up your feet. Then what I do is I try to lift myself up and scoot over. And this is kind of hard to transfer because my butt sinks in. Then also because the air mattress is off, so I can record this video. And I also like to mention I don't like blankets because I get tangled in it and I ended up falling one time. And something I forgot to mention is it's better to transfer with a level surface, because if the bed is too high, it's going to be harder because you got to lift up higher. Then also if the bed's too low, it might be easier, but going back to your wheelchair, you still have to go up. So when going back, I don't put my foot on the foot plate because it pushes my wheelchair away. And even though my wheelchair is locked, it still slides, and it's because my brakes is not tight and it needs to be like readjusted. So what I do to prevent it from sliding is I just grab my wheelchair bar and it keeps it from moving away from me. And I still have my feet on the ground though, I don't put on the foot plate. So like I said before, just practice like lifting your butt up as if you're dipping up, and then just pivot over and then bring up your legs. That's it for this video. Hopefully by now you're ready to subscribe, and if you learned anything, then leave a like. And if you guys have any video suggestions, leave in the comments below. And then also if you guys appreciate what I do and you want to help donate, then I'll be leaving my Cash App and link in the description. Any donations will help me keep making videos for you guys so I could pay for my editing plan, then also so I could buy any equipment that I need so I could keep improving my videos for you guys. Well, that's it for this video. As always, stay humble. Till next time, bye.
Yes.